Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Hindi Learning Made Easy. I'm Mamta and this is the video in continuation of communication series. In this video, we will learn how to say I want or I don't want in Hindi. This is part 1. There are more ways to use I want in different contexts and we will be discussing those in part 2. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of my new upload. So let us start. Before we start, let us learn or revise few words to support our learning. And in Hindi is aur. This is yah. A or one both are same in Hindi, which is ek. Toy in Hindi is khilona. Cup is same as English, it is cup. Spice tea we have already learned, masala chai. No, not or do not, all are nahi in Hindi. Nahi. The sound should pass through the nose. Nahi. When you want something, you say I want. In Hindi, I can be main or mujhe. I will discuss this difference between main or mujhe in different lesson. For the time being, just learn I as mujhe. Want is chahiye. So I want is mujhe chahiye. At the moment, just learn this phrase as it is. When you want to say I want, you say mujhe chahiye. Speak with me. Mujhe chahiye. When you want something, you say I want dash dash dash. In Hindi, as you know, the order of the words is different. I want dash 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 will be mujhe dash 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 chahiye. How to say I want coffee in Hindi? It will be mujhe coffee chahiye. Coffee will go in the middle of mujhe chahiye. What it will be? Mujhe coffee chahiye. We generally use the phrase I want while ordering snacks or food. Let us learn this with some examples. In the picture here, man wants to order burger and he says to the waiter, I want burger. In Hindi, he will say, Mujhe burger chahiye. Mujhe burger chahiye. Woman wants to order samosa and a cup of tea. A cup of tea in Hindi is ek cup chai. Ek cup chai. So she will say, Mujhe samosa और एक कप चाय चाहिए. मुझे समोसा और एक कप चाय चाहिए. You also use phrase I want when you want something. Here in the picture, two friends are talking and one friend says, I want a smartphone. What he will say in Hindi? मुझे एक स्मार्टफोन चाहिए. मुझे एक स्मार्टफोन चाहिए. You also use phrase I want when you ask for something. In this picture, child is asking her mother, I want this toy. How she will say this in Hindi? This toy is यह खिलौना. This is यह, toy is खिलौना. So this toy is यह खिलौना. मुझे यह खिलौना चाहिए. मुझे यह खिलौना चाहिए. When you don't want something, you say I don't want. So I don't want in Hindi will be मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. Just remember this phrase as it is. Speak with me. मुझे नहीं चाहिए. When you don't want something, you simply say I don't want dash dash dash. In Hindi, it will be मुझे dash 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 नहीं चाहिए. मुझे dash 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 नहीं चाहिए. Suppose you want to say I don't want coffee. You will say मुझे कॉफी नहीं चाहिए. मुझे कॉफी नहीं चाहिए. Let us understand this with some examples. A girl is working on laptop in a coffee shop. She doesn't want coffee. Instead, she wants spiced tea. Let us see how she speaks this to the waiter. I don't want coffee. I want a cup of spiced tea. Let us see how she says the same thing in Hindi. मुझे कॉफ़ी नहीं चाहिए. मुझे एक कप मसाला चाय चाहिए. मुझे कॉफ़ी नहीं चाहिए. मुझे एक कप मसाला चाय चाहिए. Another example for I don't want. While talking to his friend, Rahul says, I don't want an ordinary phone. Let's see what he says in Hindi. मुझे ordinary phone नहीं चाहिए. मुझे ordinary phone नहीं चाहिए. I hope you have enjoyed and understood how to say I want and I don't want in Hindi in such context. I will be coming up with one more video, part 2, where you speak I want in a different context. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. धन्यवाद. फिर मिलेंगे. Till then, namaste.